Hello viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make another milk powder sweet recipe, that is easy rasamalai with milk powder and jaggery. It is an instant recipe, can be done easily, quick, and it is also delicious. It takes only about 20 minutes for the overall process. Let's jump into the making. First, let's make the rabdi. For that, in a pan, I am adding 3 cups of milk. Let it boil. Once it started to boil, mix well occasionally. Boil in the same way until the milk is reduced to half. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the malai. Add 1 cup milk powder in a bowl, 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. You can also substitute maida. I don't use maida in any of my recipes, so I added corn flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of ghee. Give it a good mix. And then gradually add 1 tablespoon milk at a time. We need to form a smooth dough. If you want, you can also add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar in this. Add little more milk so that we can form a sticky dough. Stop adding milk once you got this consistency. We got a sticky dough. I used approximately 1/8 cup of milk. Now add half teaspoon of ghee and give it a good mix. Now you can see my dough is gradually turning non-sticky. Let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can see my dough is completely non-sticky now. Make rasamalai shapes. Let it have at least 1/4 inch of thickness, otherwise your rasamalais may melt in rabdi. Repeat the process for all the balls. I got about 10 balls out of the malai I made. I prepared some broken nuts for the rabdi. I am adding 2 green cardamom for flavor. You can also add cardamom powder. Now the milk have reduced to half. Scrape the sides. Mix it gently. Cook it in medium flame now. Let's add a generous pinch of saffron. The nuts and cardamom powder we prepared earlier. Mix and simmer it for some time. Let's make the jaggery syrup. In a separate pot, I am adding 1/3 cup and 2 tablespoons of jaggery. If you are adding 2 tablespoons of sugar for the malai, skip this 2 tablespoons. Add 3 tablespoons of water and mix well until the jaggery is dissolved. There is no need of any consistency here. Once the jaggery is melted, filter it to remove impurities. Now the rabdi is almost done. Add the jaggery syrup that we prepared earlier. Give it a good mix. If we add jaggery at the beginning, there is a chance of curdling of milk, so I am adding it at the end. Add the milk powder balls one by one slowly. Cover it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add rabdi over the ball. Please make this process gently, otherwise there is a chance of breaking. Cover it again and cook for about 2 minutes. See how well it is puffed up. It has been doubled in size. Remove it from heat at this stage. Yummylicious rasamalai is done in no time. I have transferred it into a bowl. This is such a easy recipe which can be done in minutes. This is not only eggless but it is also white sugar free as we have used jaggery as the sweetener. Let's try one of these. I wanted to show you the spongy texture it has. See how well it have puffed up. See the light spongy texture it has. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The notes and ingredients of this recipe are given in description. Check out my sweets playlist in the description too. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you.